Welcome back students to Standard 10th Maths Strategic Preparation for SSC Board Examination May or June 2021. Yes, today is 3rd May 2021 and it's the third day. We are solving section D, 4 marks each. Yes, statistics sum. Okay, yesterday after 9th I did 11th. Alright, and then 12th. I missed to do the 10th one. Here is the 10th one. So we'll solve that first today. Okay. Chali. Let's see. If the median of the following frequency distribution is 46. Median is given. So I'm writing that. And median is 46. And the total frequency, that is sigma Fi. Alright, is 230. Is 230. And that is equal to n. Find the missing frequencies. Yes, your question mark is put. So you may write small a and small b. You know the importance of this arrow, children. Okay? Fine. Now, yes, you are given the median. Alright? So, to find these missing frequencies, you will have to use the process of finding median. And there's just one process, one formula. That is median m is equal to L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency upon frequency into h. So we shall use that formula, that equation, right? Chaliye. First let us find out the sigma Fi. Chaliye. 2, 12, 20. 2, 3, 6, 12, 14 and 15. Plus A plus B. Plus A plus B. Children, but that is equal to n. Isko n कहते हैं. And number of observations is 230. I'm going to write this equation here. I.e. 50 plus A plus B is 230. That gives me A plus B is equal to 230 minus 150. How much is that? 80. So this is first equation we got in the form of two variables A and B. Alright. Now, what shall we do, children? Yes. वो formula use करने के लिए we will need cumulative frequency. So I'm writing cumulative frequency, that is CF. What is cumulative frequency of this class? 12. Next class, 12 plus 30 is 42. Next class, 42 plus A. After that, 42 plus 65 is 107 plus A. And now we are going to add B. 107 plus A plus B. 107 plus 25. 132 plus A plus B. 132 plus 18. That is 150 plus A plus B. You can see that we haven't made any error in addition. That is equal to n. Children, I have been making some mistakes in calculations. Alright. You can rectify those mistakes and see yourselves. Okay, children? Fine. Now, yes, we need a median class. How shall we find median class? It's easy. When the median is known, median is 46, find out the class in which 46 lies. 10 to 20 के बीच नहीं, 20 और 30 के बीच नहीं, 30 और 40 के बीच नहीं, 40 और 50 के बीच, yes, 46 lies between this. So this is your median class. Median class. So ये median class में आपकी frequency ये है. So this is F or yes, the cumulative frequency of the preceding class. ये class के पहले वाले class का. That is CF for our calculations. Alright. So यहाँ लिख दूँ. Lower boundary is 40. Frequency is 65. And cumulative frequency is 42 plus A. Fine. We know that N is L plus, yes, N by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Right? Now this time we are going to find A and B. So that most of them are there. M is also there. That is 46 is equal to L is 40 plus N by 2. That is 230 by 2. N is 230. If you divide, it is 115. Minus cumulative frequency. That is interesting. 42 minus A whole upon frequency. That is 65 into class height. We didn't write. It is 10. You can see that. That is 10. Class height is 10. Chaliye. 46 minus 40. That will make one term. I'll write directly. 6. Okay, you will have to open the bracket. 115 minus 42 plus A. Now this is 5 2s and 5 13s. So into 2 upon 13. Alright. Now we have single term here. So 6 into 13. Alright. Is equal to 115 minus 42. That is 3 and 7 plus A. Multiplied by 2, you can bring it on this side. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 39 is equal to 73 plus A. Therefore, children, something is wrong here. कुछ गलती है because A negative आ रहा है. We are getting A negative. All right. I'll keep this sum pending, children. ये कैलकुलेशन पेंडिंग रखेंगे या ये कुछ भी तो है प्रॉब्लम. I'll see in the statement, okay, and then same page I'll continue if there is any error. Okay, children, fine. But this is how it has to be done. There's nothing wrong here. कोई कैलकुलेशन में भी गलती नहीं है. All right, okay, fine. ये है children, गलती है. I found out. This is 42 plus A. See this plus A. So this becomes minus A. This becomes minus A. This becomes minus A. This becomes minus A. So अब पेंडिंग रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Therefore ये A बाजू आया and that is 73 minus 39. Children, I don't know, these days I am making lot of calculation mistakes. Chaliye. Therefore A is equal to 13 minus 9 is 4 and 6 minus 3 is 3. So you got A equal to 34. First equation is waiting since long to use the value of A that you are going to get here. So equation 1 gives, alright, A plus B is equal to 80. Put the value of A. 34 plus B is equal to 80. So therefore B is equal to 80 minus 34. And therefore B is equal to 46. So A is 34 and B is 46. So children, cumulative frequency is 42 plus A. मैंने जब substitution किया यहाँ लिखा था 42 minus A. So plus कर दिया. When you open the bracket, AB minus हो जाएगा. So A will carry minus sign, minus sign. अब A on other side becomes plus A. 39 comes on right hand side. Thank God I found the error at the right time. Okay, moving further. Children, after 9th, I did 11th in yesterday's session. So here is the 10th one. I also did 12th one, but would like to do 12th one again for some reason. I'll tell you the reason. Okay? If you remember, look at, see, when you are finding the median, no children, आपका frequency distribution continuous होना चाहिए. Continuous, it should be continuous. It is also called inclusive frequency distribution. I discussed yesterday. तो यहाँ देखो 118 to 126. Then 126 is not repeating. That means there is no continuity. This 126 is not included here. Okay, यहाँ inclusive है. दोनों inclusive है. Children, 118 to 126. 118 is also included and 126 is also included. If you remember in this type, here 10 to 20. So 10 is included, but 20 is not included. 20 is included here. मतलब दो बाउंड्रीज में से एक बाउंड्री इंक्लूडेड नहीं है. यहां दो बाउंड्रीज में दोनों बाउंड्री इंक्लूडेड है. So that's why it is also called inclusive frequency distribution. So here we have inclusive, sorry, we do not have inclusive frequency, sorry, we have कंटिन्यूअस को एक्सक्लूसिव कहते हैं. कंटिन्यूअस को एक्सक्लूसिव कहते हैं और डिस्क्रीट को, ये डिस्क्रीट है, ऑलराइट, डिस्क्रीट को इंक्लूसिव कहते हैं. चलिए, तो इन दैट केस मैंने पहले से लिख दिया था, याद है आपको, 118 to 126, फिर उसको कैंसिल करके लिया था. अब दिस इज क्लास, ये फ्रीक्वेंसी है, फर्स्ट क्लास 118 to 126. बट बिकॉज वी आर फाइंडिंग मीडियन, हमें ये कंटिन्यूअस डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेबल बनाना होगा. सो लोअर बाउंड्री नहीं, लोअर बाउंड्री पॉइंट इज व्हाट विल हैव टू टेक. फॉर दैट वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 0.5. सो 117.5 हो जाएगा. एंड हियर यू हैव टू ऐड 0.5, दैट विल मेक 126.5. अगेन फ्रॉम लोअर बाउंड्री सब्ट्रैक्ट 0.5. So 126.5, or in upper boundary you add 5, so 135.5. Lower boundary you subtract 5, so 135.5. Upper boundary you add 5, 144.5. ऐसे upper boundary में आप add करते जाओ 153.5, upper boundary में 162.5, upper boundary 171 है, upper boundary point will be 171.5, upper boundary 180 है और upper boundary point 180.5. यही नीचे आएगा 144.5, यही नीचे आएगा 153.5. Same will come down 162.5 and same will come down 171.5. Now 126.5, 126.5, 135.5, 135.5. So those values are okay. Here it is not included. So हमने exclusive distribution बना दिया, continuous frequency distribution बना दिया. Here the frequency is 3, next is 5, 9, 12, 5, 4 and 2. Now sigma Fi 8, 17, 29, 38 and 40 also N. So now this is okay. Alright, आपको मीडियन ढूंढना है. यू हैव टू फाइंड द मीडियन. वो क्वेश्चन नहीं दिया है, फाइंड मीडियन. ऑलराइट, और ये डिस्क्रीट फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन था, उसको हमने कंटिन्यूअस फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. चलिए, n इज इक्वल टू 40 एंड दैट इज इवन. सो पहले मीडियन क्लास ढूंढना पड़ेगा. नाउ आई विल पुट द वर्ड मीडियन इज इक्वल टू द वैल्यू ऑफ, इवन है तो n by 2, टूथ, that is equal to 40 by 2 and that is 20. So 20th observation, value of 20th observation. Yes, 20th observation ढूंढने के लिए हमें चाहिए cumulative frequency, that is CF. ये 3, this is 8, this is 17, उसमें ऐड करो 12, ऐड करो 29, 5 ऐड करो 34, 34 में 4 ऐड करो 38, 38 में 2 ऐड करो 40 और आपको n मिल गया. That means nothing wrong in the addition. All right, okay. Now the cumulative frequency which is equal to or greater than 40. Find out cumulative frequency जो 20 हो या 20 से ज्यादा. 3 कम है, 8 कम है, 17 कम है, 29 ज्यादा है. Right? So this is your cumulative frequency which is greater than 20. So ये जो class मिला, that is your median class. Alright, you got the median class, so you can write the lower boundary. What is lower boundary here? 144.5. Alright, what is frequency here? That is F. Frequency is F and that is 12. And what is cumulative frequency? CF, that is 17. Cumulative frequency CF is 17. Alright children, okay. So now you can use the formula to find the median. We know that median M is L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Alright? Therefore, what is median? We are supposed to find, वो तो है नहीं. What is lower boundary? That is 144.5 plus N by 2 means 40 by 2. Directly लिख देंगे. 20 वो यहाँ मिलेगा ही आपको. Minus cumulative frequency, that is 17 upon frequency, that is 12. और class height वो यहाँ देखो या यहाँ देखो, constant है. Children, 135.5 minus 126.5, 0, 15 में से 9, 0, 0. So class height is 9. Class height is 9. Now 144 minus 144.5 minus 134.5 करेंगे तो भी 9. It is constant 9. So that is 9. Alright. That is equal to 144.5 plus 20 में से 7 जाएगा तो 3 upon 12 into 9. 3 3s are 3 4s are. So that is 144.5 plus 9 upon 4. 9 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8 1. 0. 4 2s are 8 2 0. 4 5s are 20 0. That is equal to 144.5 plus 2.25. आप 144.5 में 2.25 ऐड कीजिए. 57641. That is 146.75 and that is median. So got the median, children? So that was the 12th one. See, मैंने पहले से ये क्लास टाइप करके रखा था क्योंकि ये डिस्क्रीट फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है. सो वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इनटू कंटिन्यूअस फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. और वो कब करना है? यदि आपको मीडियन ढूंढना है या मोड ढूंढना है. राइट? यू डोंट हैव टू डू एनीथिंग विथ दिस टेबल चेंज व्हेन यू आर फाइंडिंग द मीन. मीन में सेम फॉर्मूला रहेगी. सो मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन, चिल्ड्रन, एंड दैट इज 13th one. Okay, it is interesting. The number of students absent in the school was recorded every day for 147 days and the raw data was presented in the form of following frequency distribution. Number of students absent 5, number of days 1. 6 students absent रहे वैसे 5 दिन है. 11 students remained absent for 7 days. 14 students remain absent for 8 days and so on. Only 1 student remain absent for 20 days. Alright. So, okay, this is class. ये frequency है and you are supposed to find the median of the data. Children, class length 1 ही है. बड़ा आसान है. Cumulative frequency and that is CF. Alright. चलिए, let's find out the cumulative frequency first. Frequency of the first class and cumulative frequency remains the same. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 11, 17. 17 plus 14, 31. 31 plus 16, 47. 47 plus 13, 50. 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus 70, 130. 130 plus 4, 134. 134 plus 1, 135. Plus 1, 136. Plus 1, 137. Again 147 नहीं आया. देखते हैं. 6, 7, 17, 20, 27. 2 is carried over. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 और 14. देखा? कहीं पे गलती किया ना? वो गलती मिलेगी हमें अभी ना. 1 plus 5, 6, 6 and 11, 17, 17 and 14, 31, 31 and this 47, 47, 50 और ये 60 है. So ये 70 बनेगा. ये 140 बनेगा. 144. This is 145. This is 146. And this is 147. Got it, children? Okay. Now, median ढूंढना बड़ा आसान है. Here it is odd. Odd. Okay. So now, median, I'm going to put a word, is the value of n plus 1 by 2th observation. That is 147. 147 है. Plus 1 upon 2. that becomes 148 upon 2 and that becomes 74. 74th observation. आपको मीडियन नहीं मिलेगा, मीडियन क्लास मिलेगा. फाइंड आउट द क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी विच इज 74 और मोर देन दैट. चलिए ऊपर से नीचे जाओ. ये 70 आया लेकिन 70 स्मॉल है. ये वाला इट इज मोर देन 74. ओके, बाकी के सब बट द वेरी फर्स्ट वन. सो दिस इज योर मीडियन क्लास. अरे चिल्ड्रन मैं अभी यहां लिखूंगा मीडियन क्लास, लेकिन मीडियन क्लास में वैल्यू तो एक ही है 12, तो वही मीडियन है. Therefore median is 12. इतना फायदा रहेगा when class length is 1. जब क्लास में एक एक ही वैल्यू होगी तो आपको मीडियन डायरेक्ट यहीं से मिल जाएगा. Did you understand children? Good. Okay. Moving on to the next one, and that is from the homework. Children, on the first day practice sum में नंबर 7 मैंने होमवर्क में दिया था. ये है वो क्वेश्चन. Find the missing frequencies in the following distribution if it is known that the mean is 50. Mean, children, mean x bar is 50 and the total frequency is 120. चलिए children, again there is only one value in the class. यही क्लास है और ये फ्रीक्वेंसी है चिल्ड्रन. करेक्ट चिल्ड्रन. नाउ आपको मीन दिया है. ऑलराइट, आपको मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी ढूंढना है एंड ऑल्सो मीडियन. ऑल्सो फाइंड मीडियन. वो क्वेश्चन यहां नहीं लिखा है. ऑल्सो फाइंड द मीडियन. ओके, चलिए पहले मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी ढूंढेंगे फिर मीडियन. अब क्लास लेंथ एक ही है सो हमारे पास डायरेक्ट मेथड ही है मीन वाली. ओके, सो आई टेक fi into xi. 17 10s are 170. This will be 30 f1. This is f1. 32 5s are 160. So 160 and 0. Now this will be 70 f2. 19 9s are 90 or 81. So 1710. Alright. Now this will give me sigma fi xi. 0, 8, 14 or 3 plus 30 f1 plus 70 f2. Alright. And that is equal to n and that is equal to 120. Sorry. Frequency sigma fi is here. This is okay. This कितना था 70 f2 था यहाँ 70 f2. That is sigma fi xi. मुझे sigma fi चाहिए. So ये ऐड करो 9 and 9 18 1 5 and 6 plus f1 plus f2. इसे कहते हैं number of observation and that is 120. So you got first equation. Therefore 68 plus f1 plus f2 is 120. Therefore f1 plus f2 is 120 minus 68 and that gives me 52. So this is equation number 1. Alright. अब हमें f1 और f2 ढूंढना है. Alright. चलिए तो एक इक्वेशन मिला है. दूसरा इक्वेशन we know that mean वाली फॉर्मूला and that is direct method. x bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. चलो x bar is known, that is 50. sigma fi xi जो मैं कैंसिल करने जा रहा था that is 3480 plus 30 f1 plus 70 f2 whole upon. Now this is known 120. n या sigma fi बोलो या n बोलो, that is 120. Be careful now. 120 multiplied by 50. 12 5s are 60 and 2 zeros. That is 3480 plus 30 f1 plus 70 f2. ये सब्ट्रैक्ट कीजिए. 0 minus 0 is 0. ये 10 होगा 10 minus 8 is 2. ये 9 होगा 9 minus 4 is 5. और ये 5 हो गया 5 minus 3 is 2. That is equal to, ये दो टर्म रहे 30 और 70 में 10 कॉमन. So 3f1 plus 7f2. This 0 will cancel. So you got 3f1 plus 7f2 is equal to 252. This is equation 2. इस बार आपको इक्वेशन सॉल्व करना होगा. You will have to find the equation. सॉल्व करना होगा. चलिए, so you will have to multiply first equation by 3. यहाँ 3f1 है. 3f1 बनाने के लिए okay. So multiplying equation 1 by 3, we get क्या 3f1 plus 3f2 is equal to 156. All right, and the second equation is 3f1 plus 7f2 is 252 by 2. अब आप subtract कर सकते हैं. This is minus. So this cancels. Yes, 3f2 minus 7f2 is minus 4f2. ये minus करो, 12 में से 6, 14 में से 9, and it will be also minus. Minus becomes plus. So f2 is 96 divided by 4. 4 2s and 4 4s. Therefore, f2 is 24. So got f2. Now this equation is waiting. Therefore, f1 plus f2, that is 24, is 52 by 1. Therefore, f1 is 52 minus this, 8 and 2. So f1 you got, that is 28. So after getting that, all right, now this is what? Cumulative frequency चाहिए अब, क्योंकि आपको मीडियन भी ढूंढना है. ये 4 मार्क का क्वेश्चन है. अब यहां पता चल गया f1 is 28 and f2 is 24. So आप cumulative frequency find out करिए. 17 plus 28, that is 45 plus 32, that is 77 plus this 90 and 101 plus 19, and that is 120. मिला ना 120, देखो यहाँ, right? Okay, now median ढूंढना है. You put the word, लेकिन डायरेक्ट मिलेगा क्योंकि क्लास लेंथ एक ही है. Now median is equal to the value of, yes, even है, 120 is even, so n by 2, that is 120 by 2, and that is 60th observation. Now 60th observation falls where? देखो 60 से ज्यादा ये रहा और ये रहा अपना क्लास. मीडियन क्लास बोलेंगे लेकिन वैल्यू एक ही है. Therefore, straight away you can say median is equal to 50. So median भी ढूंढ लिया हमने, मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी भी ढूंढ लिया. मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी के लिए हमने मीन यूज किया, एंड वंस वी गॉट द मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी हमने क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी वाला टेबल तैयार किया, एंड यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला ऑफ मीडियन वी गॉट द मीडियन, राइट? ओके, नाउ दिस इज फॉर योर टुडेज होमवर्क. ऑलराइट, the type of sums that we have done so far are here. Do these 6 sums for your homework. They are practice sums. See you in the next session, children. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.